Course Introduction. Hey there, fellow coders. Welcome to the super cool world of AI programming with ChatGPT. Build efficient Python apps. In this course, we're going to show you how to use the power of AI to make your coding life way easier. That's right, with ChatGPT, you can automate boring coding tasks, fix pesky bugs, and write sleek, efficient code. Pretty sweet, huh? By the end of this course, you'll be a ChatGPT pro and ready to show off your new programming superpowers. Introduction to ChatGPT. Now, let's talk about ChatGPT. This bad boy is a seriously powerful AI language model developed by the genius minds at OpenAI. It's like your own personal robot assistant that can generate human-like text in response to prompts. And not just any text, we're talking top-notch, high-quality stuff that can make even Shakespeare feel a little intimidated. So what does this mean for you, the programmer extraordinaire? Well, ChatGPT can help you automate all sorts of coding tasks, like generating code snippets, refactoring existing code, and even writing unit tests. This means you can spend less time on the boring stuff and more time on the fun, creative aspects of programming. In this course, we're going to show you the ins and outs of using ChatGPT to make your coding life a heck of a lot easier. We'll start by setting up your development environment and installing ChatGPT. Then, we'll dive into the juicy stuff, like using ChatGPT to automate coding tasks and fix broken programs. We'll even show you how to write sleek, efficient code with ChatGPT. By the end of this course, you'll be a ChatGPT ninja, ready to take on any coding challenge that comes your way. Course outline. Introduction to AI programming with ChatGPT. Introduction to the course. Overview of ChatGPT and its capabilities. The benefits of using ChatGPT for programming tasks. Setting up your environment. Download and install the latest version of Python on your computer. Install a code editor, such as Visual Studio Code or PyCharm, on your computer. Download the ChatGPT library from the OpenAI website. Install the necessary Python packages for ChatGPT, such as TensorFlow and NumPy. Connect to the OpenAI API to authenticate your account and access the ChatGPT model. Using ChatGPT to automate coding tasks. Understand the basics of how ChatGPT works, including how it generates text and how it can be used to automate coding tasks. Explore common coding tasks that can be automated with ChatGPT, such as generating code snippets or refactoring existing code. Learn how to use the OpenAI API to make requests to the ChatGPT model and generate text output. Use ChatGPT to automate coding tasks, such as generating code snippets and refactoring existing code, by providing prompts to the model. Using ChatGPT to fix broken programs. Understand how ChatGPT can be used to diagnose and fix issues in broken programs. Learn how to use ChatGPT to generate prompts to identify the root cause of errors. Use ChatGPT to generate suggestions for fixing broken programs, such as code snippets or debugging steps. Test your suggested fixes and iterate on your prompts to refine the results. Using ChatGPT to add new features to existing programs. Understand how ChatGPT can be used to add new functionality to existing code. Learn how to use ChatGPT to generate prompts for new features or enhancements. Use ChatGPT to generate code snippets or implementation suggestions for adding new features to existing code. Test and iterate on your prompts to refine the results. Using ChatGPT to write more elegant code. Understand how ChatGPT can be used to optimize and simplify existing code. Learn how to use ChatGPT to generate prompts for code optimization or simplification. Use ChatGPT to generate suggestions for optimizing and simplifying code, such as removing redundant code or streamlining complex logic. Test and iterate on your prompts to refine the results. Using ChatGPT to refactor existing code. Understand how ChatGPT can be used to improve the structure and organization of existing code. Learn how to use ChatGPT to generate prompts for code refactoring. Use ChatGPT to generate suggestions for improving the structure and organization of code, such as breaking up monolithic functions or modularizing code. Test and iterate on your prompts to refine the results. Writing unit tests with ChatGPT. Understand the importance of unit testing in software development. Learn how to use ChatGPT to generate prompts for writing unit tests. Use ChatGPT to generate suggestions for writing effective unit tests, such as testing edge cases or corner cases. Write and execute unit tests based on ChatGPT prompts. Using ChatGPT to automate coding tasks. To use ChatGPT to automate coding tasks, you'll need to first connect to the OpenAI API to authenticate your account and access the ChatGPT model. Once you have done that, you can use the API to make requests to the ChatGPT model and generate text output. Here are the steps you can follow. Step 1. Install the OpenAI API. You'll need to install the OpenAI API in order to use ChatGPT. Follow the instructions provided by OpenAI to install the API. Step 2. Authenticate your account. Create an account on the OpenAI website and follow the instructions to authenticate your account. Step 3. Generate prompts. Once you have access to the ChatGPT model, you can generate prompts to automate coding tasks. For example, you could generate a prompt to generate a code snippet for a specific task. Step 4. Use the output. The ChatGPT model will generate text output based on your prompt. You can use this output to automate coding tasks, such as generating code snippets or refactoring existing code. Writing unit tests with ChatGPT. To write effective unit tests with ChatGPT, you'll need to understand the basics of unit testing and how to generate prompts that will lead to effective tests. Here are the steps you can follow. Step 1. Understand the basics of unit testing. Learn about the importance of unit testing in software development and the basics of how to write effective tests. Step 2. Generate prompts. Use ChatGPT to generate prompts for writing unit tests. For example, you could generate a prompt to test a specific edge case or corner case. Step 3. Write and execute tests. Write and execute unit tests based on the prompts generated by ChatGPT. Test your code thoroughly to ensure that it is functioning as intended.